Introducing PMG's patented Choice Gearless Adjustable Guard Series. For ease of cleaning, maintenance, and maximizing pan access, PMG's patented gearless hinges are the simplest and most intuitive on the market. Simple to move from full service to self-service. Easy for one person to rotate the panel by simply lifting the glass. No clunky knobs to turn or tools are required for rotation. Our adjustable guards also allow the end user to slide the glass backward and forward by twisting the thumb screws a quarter turn for full adjustable movement. There's enough tension in the mechanism to resist incidental contact and pressure. PMG's patented Choice Gearless guards are the most advanced adjustable guard on the market.